Hello, students. Another thing we can do to mess with triangles is to find the incenter. So I'm going to draw a triangle. And I made a mistake last time by making my triangle too big, and then my paper clip did not fit. So this time I will not do that. There's a triangle, and we are going to find the incenter. The way to find the incenter of a triangle is to do the angle bisector of all three angles. So I am going to do very light little marks here because this is going to get really messy really fast. So I just went across and I found a little mark right here and a little mark right here. I'm going to slide the paper clip up. I'm going to find the exact middle of this first vertex. Move the paper clip over. Let me see what I did here. To find the point where these intersect. Way down here. I'm doing the angle bisector of this angle. I found these 2 points, and then I found the middle of the angle, and I'm going to do the ray that divides the angle into 2 congruent parts. The ray I just drew is the angle bisector of this angle. Now I'm going to do it again for this angle. Like I said, I'm doing very small markings because it's going to get kind of messy. So I'm going to go right across that side. And right across this side. So I'm going across this angle. And then these 2 points I just found, I'm going to slide up here. I'm trying to find the middle of this angle. I'm trying to bisect all 3 angles. Ooh, I slipped. This takes practice. Okay. That point and this point I connect that will be the angle bisector of the second angle. I'm going to bisect this angle, I bisect this angle. Now I need to come up here and bisect that last angle. I'm going to make a little mark there. Ooh, this one I went all the way across so I could see it a little better. And I'm going to use this one way out here. Okay. That is the exact middle of that angle. And you see, just like the last construction we did, the angle bisectors meet at a point of concurrency. This point right here in the middle is a point of concurrency. This one is called the incenter. And it's called the incenter because if I put a compass right here, this point, this incenter, is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. It's equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Well, this is hard to do with a paper clip, but if I measure from here perpendicular to the side, perpendicular to the side. I'm going to say that this little part of the compass right at the end of that is about the incenter. I'll do this in red so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to be really, really, really clever with this paper clip. And it's not going to be perfect because this is a paper clip. Oh, and I missed already. Let's try this again. Okay, I'm going to push really tight here. A little bit too small. And I think I'm going to use the little cheat that I used last time, which is to get a really thick marker. I'll do it again. Incenter. It's the center of a circle, and it is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Not my best construction. These are not perfect, but they are interesting. Look, it's the incenter. The incenter, the center of the circle is equidistant from the three sides, so it's going to touch all three sides at exactly. So if this one is, if there's a perpendicular, if this distance is 5, then out to there is also 5, and out to there is also 5. Incenter.